I was curious to know about Chat GPT, which has become popular in the internet world in a short period of time. Chat GPT gives amazing result in essay writing. I asked Chat GPT about my city. Chat GPT has lot of intelligence. Chat GPT wrote about Nasik city. The Nasik district, located in the northwest region of Maharashtra state in India, has a long and rich history. The Godavari River, which flows through Nasik, has played a significant role in the region's history and continues to be an important culture and economic resource today. The Nasik region has been inhabited for thousands of years, and evidence of ancient civilization can be found in the area. The Nasik Cave Temple, a group of rock-cut cave temple located in the city, is a popular tourist attraction and is believed to have built in the 1st century BCE. In more recent history, Nasik has played a significant role in the Indian independence movement. The city was the site of the non-cooperation movement in 1920, which was led by Mahatma Gandhi in protest of British rule in India. Today, Nasik is a growing city with a diverse economy and a rich culture heritage. It is known for its religious significance and is home to several important Hindu temples, including the Trimbakeshwar temple and the Kalaram temple. The city is also a popular tourist destination with attractions such as the Pandalivni cave, the Sita Gufa and the Ancharini Hill fort. Learn a lot of new things with ChatGPT in 2023. Thank you for watching our video.